Hi.
Hi.
I'm very excited to be doing this today. I mean, I see myself as a liaison between the Tony Robbins group, get what you want, go after what you want, intention, laser focus, work hard, and the law of attraction group. Just visualize it. Just kind of feel it in your heart, love it into existence. It's yours. You can have it. You know, I see myself as a liaison because my life experience has been both. And I've learned how to dilute it, extract what was unimportant, get rid of what was extraneous, and understand simple principles that, when applied, are really the principles of all intention or success or creating what you want. That doesn't necessarily mean you can always create what you want. It just means that you don't care because you're in the intention of creating what you want. I think of it as inventors that were willing to do something for 70 years and go to their grave still inventing. That to me is success. Not necessarily accomplishment of a goal, but the willingness to live with one and feeling that feeling 24 hours a day. So I'm going to share with you a story of why I do what I do. In the story, the reason I share it is because in this story, you're going to notice, see, and experience certain principles that we're going to be talking about. You're going to notice all the caveats and pitfalls to this kind of stuff. What is that? What is this stuff? Creating results that we want. Now, there's two types of ways of looking at creating the life we want. There's creating stuff, relationships, career, fitness, money, changing our physical world. And then there's happiness, too. And sometimes we mix up the two and we get confused. Sometimes when we're trying to create something, we're actually really wanting a feeling that we don't give ourselves a right to feel. And so I'm going to kind of deconstruct all of this for you today. It's